আজি samla pola khubuti 4-lane Dimapur chungokiti mamacheti hotai rati choto dangor accident hatsa luk pagina ja thaka humoiti ja rati 8 baji 50 minute inikatamti alto 800 ekta overspeed ahigena par kugena thakya Assam registered Tata gari opoti laki jaina driver aro pregnant maki ekjon milaigena jan harai ja khobor pailu ase sources de accident hatsa tu 7 mile Chumukidima National Highway Nayara petrol pump osorte thaksha aro alto gari tu overspeed te ahigena biabra gari mihen kugena accident site te driver to sas loi thaksha ulipi time te hospital loi jabole delay hoi ja issue nimiti driver aro pregnant maki dujon pi jan harai jaise ko ase time te hospital loi jabole para nai kugena khobor pai thaka upote koi dibole mon thaka toli police public kun bra holipi inika accident hatsa luk paina thaka paja shiguli modop kugina jan paja bole khushish kur dibole lakya aro hospital ponchai dibole kun kepi azamang bole naikli kun patamti manu laga careless aro delay hoja karni jan bacha bole napara issue mite koi dia ase aro 4-lane development Dimapur Kohima machete ani thaka opoti driver khan holipi speed limit diena thakya aro signal no parking area ti mishamshi park kurgena accident victim na kurubole itubi khatabra driver khan ke koi dia ase Vitpal Singh Chief Wildlife Warden Department of Environment Forest and Climate Change Nagaland laga statement ti state bhitor wildlife khotom kuri thakya endangered hoja issue karni hunting activities khan sob rukhi jaina conserved aro observe kuri dibole lake koi dia ase aro wildlife official khan media loina ko thaka sabti department khan tu hunting poaching state bhitor sobti murai digena khai thaka check kurubole na parbo itu karni sob manubra age agina janwar protect kur dibole lake koi dia ase Moroccan registered DF-10 aircraft Jarati northeastern Afghanistan Badshan province remote area ti crash hoi jaise koigina local police official report dia ase crash hoi ja uporti local authority khan tu kiman jon casualty hoi jai na ase hatsa upor iku details koi dia nai aro Russia aviation authority khan laga release ti Russia registered passenger chojon pukhina contact loss hoi jaise ko ase ulipi union ministry clarification ti aircraft toli air ambulance Thailand Moscow machete aha ja kuri thakya laga ase aro contact loss hoi ja na huigina oil refilling karni thakshe ko ase aro ja rati laga air crash details local authority khan tu disclose kur dia nai hulipi Moroccan registered DF-10 aircraft thakshe ko gina official report di thakya itu details pailu ase Nagaland Board of School Education NBSC notification ti itu sal HSLC examination February 13 bra loigina February 3 tak ti held kulobo aro HSSLC examination February 12 tarik bra loigina March 6 tarik tak ti thagibole announce kurilo shem notification hesab ti itu sal class 12 ti total of 17,911 candidate enroll kurloigina ase aro itu enroll kurgena thakya macheti 14,167 arts 949 commerce aro science student khan 2,521 inika enroll kurgena ase aro class 10 ti total of 22,136 candidate aro class 11 promotion examination ti 20,166 student appear kurule ready kuri thakya jonai dia ase Union Home Minister Amit Shah Assam State ahigena first batch of 5 newly constituted Assam Police Commando Battalion Guwahati te koi thakya sabti Bangladesh India Nishna Indian Myanmar border area tepi free movement rukhi jagina area sobti fencing lagabole lake koi dia ase itu border free movement ban kurule laga issue ti NSF aro alag bodies khan awas uthai gena Naga Burma protect kurule against kuri aja sholipi Modi government loigina border area sob fencing lagai lobole koi thakia Amit Shah jonai dia ase 16 km border area kholi digena without visa free movement kribole dia karni bia bal sop ane ase aro neighboring country Myanmar hamla issue ti 31000 opor manu khan Mizoram state ti ja salbra ahigena shelter loya ase aro PDF junta soldiers larai Myanmar army bishi India border area te ahigena wapas kuri thakia koi dia ase itu karni Union Home Minister Amit Shah tu Assam state important meeting attend kurgena India border area sobti fencing lagai lobole jonai di thakia ami khan huni pailoya ase next khobor ti Israel forces khan Iran aligned leader khan opor target karni Syria Damascus strike ti building ekta phangai disha aro 5 jon murai dishe kogena report dia ase report ti itu strike ani thakia tuli Israel Hamas war issue te 4-storied building Iran aligned leader meeting kri thakia damti missile attack ahija shikogena Syrian Observatory for Human Rights report dia ase decade opor civil war Syriati Israel forces khan 100 of air strike territory te mari digena Iran backed forces aro Syrian army position khan opor mari disha aro October 7 tarik sur kurgena aha Israel forces khan hotai din banduk larai kri thakia official update dia ase ruling Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party NDPP khan tu recently Chumokidima district ti Lok Sabha MP Tokheho Yaptomi article 371 clause A opor koidia opoti response kri disha aro NDPP khan tu statement oporti distance kri loi thakia NDPP official update pailoya ase NDPP through media and communication ti statement of Lok Sabha MP Tokheho Yaptomi tu ta laga phapna koi digena thakshe na hoili party na hoili pi ta laga leadership hesab te koi dia nai ko ase aro NDPP party release ti article 371 clause A of Indian Constitution under te thakya safeguard kurgena party khan tu commitment affirm kurgena right privilege of Naga manu opor uphold krubole ko disha aro Indo Naga political settlement crucial stage te ahija tamti article 371 clause A laga kisa naulagina instead permanent protection of traditional customary practices pra logina mati resources khan sob protect krubole late kogina NDPP release kri dia ase